Hi, I'm Donna Wolf from naztazia.com.
I'll show how to crochet a striped egg in this tutorial video. These are nice in the kitchen as a decoration for the wall and to use under warm dishes. Depending upon its use, cotton or acrylic yarn can be used in worsted weight, about 90 yards total, plus a J crochet hook. To begin, chain 9 with 2 strands of yarn. In this pattern, the first and last stitch usually has something happening to it. For row 1, make 2 single crochet stitches all in the second chain from the hook. The middle chains will have just a single crochet in them, while the ending chain will have the 2 stitches in them to match the beginning. So for this middle section, just make a single crochet in each of the chain stitches. Then in the very last chain, make 2 single crochet stitches in it. There will be a total of 10 single crochet stitches once completed for row 1. As we move on to row 2, we're not going to make a chain 1. Instead, we're going to lift our loop up a bit and then simply turn the work. This will help keep the edges somewhat smoother when working with this oval egg shape. Row 2 has the same pattern as row 1. Start with 2 single crochet stitches in the first stitch. Then all of the middle stitches will just be 1 single crochet stitch in them. Right at the end, in the last stitch, make 2 single crochet stitches all in that last stitch. If all went well, there will be 12 single crochet stitches on row 2. Row 3 is the same as row 2, with 2 single crochet stitches on the beginning and ending stitches, with single crochet stitches in between. At the end, there will be a total of 14 single crochet stitches on row 3. Row 4 is an easy row. It's just 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch across. There are no increases on this row, so the count is still 14 single crochet stitches. Row 5 is an increase row with the 2 single crochet stitches twice for a total of 16 stitches. Row 6 is a regular single crochet row, so the stitch count is still 16 stitches. Then we have row 7, which is an increase row for a total of 18 single crochet stitches. Rows 8 through 17 are nice easy rows. It's just 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch on each of the rows. Now the pattern changes into decreasing the sides of the egg. This is accomplished by making a single crochet 2 together at the beginning and ending of some of the rows. With row 18, start with a single crochet 2 together decrease stitch. Then all of the middle stitches are just regular single crochet stitches. Over the last 2 stitches in the row, make a single crochet 2 together stitch to decrease on this side as well. We're going to slowly decrease the top section of the egg by doing these decrease stitches on some rows, and some rows will be regular single crochet. In the end, there will only be 16 single crochet stitches on row 18. Row 19 is just a regular single crochet stitch row with the same number as before of 16 stitches. Row 20 is a decrease stitch row, so the first 2 and last 2 stitches will have the single crochet 2 together stitches in them for a total of 14 stitches on row 20. Row 21 is just a regular single crochet row of 14 stitches on it. Row 22 is a decrease row that has a total of 12 single crochet stitches on it. Row 23 is a regular single crochet stitch row with 12 stitches on it, while row 24 is yet another decrease row with only 10 single crochet stitches on it. Row 25 is another decrease row with only 8 single crochet stitches on it. Row 26 further decreases the stitches on it down to 6 single crochet. And row 27 is the last decrease row with only 4 single crochet stitches on it. This is what the finished egg looks like at this point. The egg looks nice just as it is, or optionally a border, either plain or fancy, can be added to the egg in this next step. On the top and bottom of the egg, I just make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. However, on the side, because they are tapered, I find this other method works, at least for me. I like to trace the little row of stitches in between single crochet rows upwards, and then place 2 single crochet stitches right at the end. Then I make a chain 1. Then I find the next line of stitch markings and place 2 single crochet stitches right at the end of the row. Then make a chain 1. And I'll show this process one more time. Trace the line of stitches upwards and make 2 single crochet stitches at the end, and follow that with the chain 1. Continue with the edging around the entire egg. Fasten off and weave in all the ends. Feel free to add a chain 12 to the top to create a loop for displaying on the wall. And that's it. That's how I crochet a striped egg.